All right, guys, so let's go ahead and look at section 1, topic 2, which is understanding polynomial expressions. So I'm going to go over a few questions from this section also. So number 1, it says write 9x plus 3x squared minus 4x to the 5th power plus x cubed plus 2x to the 4th in standard form. In case you don't remember, standard form is when you list the expression with exponents from greatest all the way to least. So the greatest exponent here is an exponent of 5. So our first term is going to be that negative 4x to the 5th. Remember, you got to include the sign that's before the coefficient. And then the next highest exponent would be our plus 2x to the 4th. Then our next highest exponent would be plus x to the 3rd, plus 3x squared, plus 9x. And if we were to have a constant term, which we don't here, a number without a variable multiplied by it, that would be what we would list at the very end. All right, number 2 says, determine the type and degree of each of the following polynomial expressions. So the first one, there's no addition or subtraction. So since it's one term, we use the term monomial. And then to get the degree, if it was just one exponent, we would take the highest, but because there's 2, we need to add those together. So 4 plus 9 would be a degree of 13. The second one, there are 3 terms separated by addition or subtraction, so that 3 would be trinomial. And we just take the highest exponent here, and that would be a 5, of degree 5. And the last one also has 3 terms, and that would be a trinomial. Together. So our first term, 6 and 2, would give us a degree 8. We have the second one, that would be 5, and the last one would be a 7. So this is actually a degree 8 polynomial. All right, the next one I want to look at is number 4. So you have to match the first column with the second column. So if we look at the first one, I'm going to look at this column over here first. So the first one says 9th degree monomial. The only one that's a monomial here is B. So I'm going to say letter I goes with B, or number 1, excuse me, number 1. Number 2, constant term of -7, that goes with G, because you can see that constant term of -7. Number 3, 7th degree polynomial. So if I look here, it looks like the only one with a degree 7 is E. And then number 4, leading coefficient of 4. So that means that the biggest exponent has a coefficient of 4, and that would be letter F. 4 terms. The only one that looks like it has 4 terms is A, so that would be number 5. 5th degree polynomial. So we're looking at C and D here. Letter D is the one that has a 5th degree polynomial. And then the last one, equivalent to 5x to the 8th power plus 3x to the 4th minus 9x cubed, would be C. All right, good. And then we want to look at the last one, number 8, the last problem we're going to look at today. So Ladarius wrote the following monomial expression, 5x to the 8th, y to the 3rd. Ladarius said the monomial has a degree of 11. Ayla said that the monomial has a degree of 8. Who is correct? Well, remember, if we have 2 different variables, we got to add their exponents to get the degree. So Ladarius is right. And the reason why he is right is because he actually added the 2 exponents instead of just taking the highest one. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions through reminder, email, and I'll answer them best of my ability. Have a good day.